Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing great. So for this week, we are going to work on visual motor skills. Visual motor skills are what I try to help with, especially goes hand in hand with handwriting and learning how to read. It's basically how we control our eyes to be able to accomplish a task. So for example, if we're looking up at the board and then we're looking down at our paper, our eyes are tracking that movement. So as we look up and then move our eyes down, that's a visual motor pattern. Same with when we're reading from left to right. We want our eyes doing the work, going from left to right. So sometimes kids that have poor ocular motor control will use their head more than their eyes. So for example, if you're reading a book and you have something in front of you like this, right? When they're reading and they open up the page, they might look with their head like this instead of moving their eyes. Okay, so that's something you can look out for when they're reading. If they are doing that, you want to encourage them to use their eye movements. And sometimes what you can do is you can even hold their chin or their face in place and then have them use their eyes to track back and forth. Okay, but most of your kids are able to use their eyes. They just might compensate with their head more if that's stronger and easier for them. So we're going to be working on skills that just look at visual motor tracking and different visual motor skills that are required for the classroom. So I have a couple different links to some games. So the first game is called Alphabet Order. You hit go, and then as you see, this darn monkey is moving all the letters around. So what you're going to do is
no, look what happened to the alphabet.
You are
Can
going
you
to
help me put the alphabet back in order? Tap and drag the letter
So as the monkey said, you're going to tap and drag the letter.
A.
So you're going to move it to where it goes. So this is a great way for your kids to kind of look at all the different shapes and colors and different positions to be able to sort through the alphabet, okay?
B.
So as you see, B was sideways. So this is still a good visual motor pattern for that task, okay? So this is going to be game number 1. Game number 2 is called Spot It. It looks like this. So how you play, you'll see that there are 2 sets of cards here, and you're trying to find the same object on each card. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at from this card, and go back and forth. And so I found the first one. It's lightning bolt. So lightning bolt and lightning bolt. And so your child, if they can't say it, they can point to it on the screen. It is a lot of fun if you can play it with someone else. So if they have a sibling or even with a parent, I think that they will enjoy it. A lot of your kids, when I play it, usually get really into it and competitive. And here are the different examples of cards, okay? So that's your second task. And then your third task is going to be spot the differences. So here is an image of a picture, and there are hidden pictures inside this picture. So you can print this out if you want to, or you can just look at it on the screen. And you're going to find the different objects. So here's a Valentine's Day card. Let's look in the picture. And I'll give you the first one. Here's the card. So they're all hidden in the picture and you want to find them. And there's 2 pictures for you to look at. 1 and 2. Okay, so those are our tasks for this week to complete. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. These should just be fun activities. If your child really struggles with this, a good activity you can do at home is also puzzles. Puzzles are a great way for your eyes and your body to kind of work together to visually piece together and sequence a puzzle. And yeah, I hope that you guys are all doing well, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. So be safe, and I will see you soon. Okay, bye.